Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if Storytel audio is not working. So when you're trying to listen within the app to a book and it's just not emitting any audio, then here are 4 easy ways to fix this. So I'm going to give you guys 4 ways because there are multiple reasons for why this is causing it, and these 4 fixes should fix it for you. So the first thing you might want to try and do is head over into settings over on your phone, and then you need to scroll all the way to the downside till you find the Storytel app. So that's quickly what I'm going to do. I'm going to find Storytel, which is right here. And once you're right here, what you need to make sure to do is that background app refresh is enabled. If this is disabled, it may be that when you close the app, but it's still open in the background, that it will just not do anything and the audio will stop. So you need to make sure that background app refresh is actually enabled. Now, if you have already enabled that and it's still not working, then the second method I can basically give to you guys is simply updating the app. I know it sounds really easy, but if the app is really outdated, then this could cause a lot of issues you are having with the app. So I will just recommend doing this, and it will also give the quick hard reset. So just make sure to update that. It's really important and it should fix the issue. Now, the third thing I have for you guys is basically just simply going into settings again, and what we're going to do is we're going to clear the cache of our Storytel app. So on Android it's a little bit different. On Android you need to scroll to the bottom of your screen, basically where we also turned on and off background app refresh, and from there you will be able to basically clear the cache. Now on the iPhone what you need to do is head over into general, iPhone storage, and then once you've done that you want to scroll a little bit down, basically all the way till you find the Storytel app. So I'm going to quickly find it right now. Alright, so I found it. All you need to do is click on it, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on offloading the app. What does this do? It will basically hard reset the entire app, it will reinstall the app, and it will basically just fix a lot of issues you are having with the app. And the best part is that all your data, everything will still be there if you offload the app. It will even keep you logged in. It's basically like you're just giving it a hard reset, and most of the time this fixes a lot of issues you are having with the app. Now, if you've already tried it and it's still not working, then the last thing I would recommend is just completely reinstalling the app. You can do that by simply holding it down and remove the app, and then you can reinstall through the Google Play Store or App Store. Now, the only thing that's wrong with this is that when you do it, all your data will most likely be lost, and you will also be logged out again. So keep that in mind, but reinstalling the app will 100% work in my opinion. And also I could just recommend making sure that your audio does actually work on your phone. It most likely does, but just try it out. And that are the 4 easiest ways in order to fix the issue with Storytel basically not emitting any audio. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.